Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best portable propane barbecue grills that are available on the market for their performance, build quality, and value. Whether you're looking for something budget-friendly, compact, or built for premium outdoor cooking, we've got you covered. Be sure to check out the product links in the description below for more details. Let's dive right in. At number 5, we have the Charbroil Portable Convective One-Burner Stainless Steel Propane Gas Grill, a fantastic option for those on a tight budget. Coming in at just $46.99. This grill is perfect for casual grilling enthusiasts who need something functional and portable. It offers 11,000 BTUs of grilling power and a 190 square inch porcelain-coated cooking surface, which is large enough to handle up to 8 burgers at a time. The grill is powered by a 1-pound propane tank, making it ideal for tailgating, camping, or small backyard cookouts. The design is straightforward but effective. Its heat-resistant stainless steel side handles make it easy to transport, and the wire grates heat up quickly and evenly. However, it's worth noting that its lightweight build, while convenient for portability, may not feel as durable as some higher-end models. Additionally, while the assembly is minimal, the included warranty is only 90 days, which may be a concern for long-term reliability. Overall, the Charbroil Portable Gas Grill is a solid choice for anyone seeking an affordable, no-frills portable grill. It's compact, functional, and gets the job done, but its limited cooking surface and entry-level build quality keep it from climbing higher in our rankings. If budget is your top priority, this is the grill for you. At number 3, we have the Cuisinart Grosster Portable Gas Grill, a compact and highly portable option that's great for on-the-go grilling. Priced at $149.99, this grill features an 8,000 BTU stainless steel burner and a 146 square inch enameled steel grate. The cooking surface is dishwasher safe, a rare feature in this category, making cleanup incredibly easy. The Grosster's compact design, weighing just 10 pounds, is its most impressive feature. It's small enough to fit in tight spaces, making it perfect for campers, tailgaters, or balcony dwellers. The locking lid and no assembly required setup mean you can start grilling in under 5 minutes. However, the smaller cooking surface may feel limiting for larger gatherings, and the single burner doesn't allow for dual temperature zones. If convenience and portability are your top priorities, the Cuisinart Grosster is a fantastic option. It's quick to set up, easy to clean, and ideal for small-scale grilling. Just be aware of its limitations if you plan to cook for larger groups. Our runner-up is the Cuisinart Chef-Style Tabletop Portable Propane Gas Grill. At $199.99, this grill offers premium features in a compact form. It boasts dual 10,000 BTU burners, giving you a total of 20,000 BTUs of cooking power. The 275 square inch stainless steel cooking surface provides even heat distribution and is large enough to cook multiple items at once. Dual burners allow for independent heat zones, making it versatile for grilling different types of food simultaneously. The chef-style grill is designed for convenience. It features twist-start ignition, folding legs, and a locking lid for easy transport. Weighing just 22 pounds, it's lightweight enough to take anywhere, yet sturdy enough to feel durable. The built-in thermometer ensures precise temperature control, which is a big plus for those who like to fine-tune their grilling. This grill is perfect for anyone who needs a portable option that doesn't compromise on performance. However, at nearly $200, it's on the higher end of the price spectrum for tabletop grills. If you value build quality and advanced features, this grill is worth the investment. Finally, at number 1, we have the Coleman Road Trip 285 Portable Stand-Up Propane Grill. At $314.99, this is the premium option on our list, but it's worth every penny for those who demand top-tier performance. This grill offers 20,000 BTUs of power across 3 adjustable burners, giving you precise temperature control and multiple cooking zones. With a large 285 square inch cooking surface, it's perfect for everything from burgers to delicate vegetables. The design is where the Road Trip 285 really shines. It features quick fold legs and wheels for easy setup and transport, making it ideal for tailgating or large outdoor events. The integrated thermometer ensures accurate heat monitoring, and the push-button ignition offers matchless lighting. At 46.7 pounds, it's heavier than the other options, but the wheels and stand make it easy to maneuver. If you're looking for a fully featured portable grill that delivers exceptional performance, the Coleman Road Trip 285 is the clear winner. It's an investment, but for avid grillers who want durability, power, and versatility, this grill is unmatched. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in narrowing down your choices for the best portable propane barbecue grill. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews just like this one. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you. See you in the next video.